Okay, stand. Hello and welcome in new chapter statistics, class 10 mathematics. It's a very good chapter, and the main things in this chapter is the calculation formulas, as everywhere in mathematics. But the main thing is important that this chapter is same in class 9. In class 9, same chapter statistics, and also have three topics: mean, median, and mode. And in class 10, same mean, median, and mode. But something is different from class 9 and 10. You have to find the mean by one method or two method in class 9. Here you find by three method. Mode, you can only use the normal basic fundamental concept in class 9, but here we have to use the formula to find the mode. Median, in same process you can find the only mid values of the ungrouped data, but here you can find the median and mode also both find the using the formulas of group data. So first thing, mean means average, median mid value, mode value, comes maximum number of times. They all three are the central tendency. Are the central tendency. Spelling of tendency. Right. So these three are central tendency. This is used for finding the best. Means not only for mean, not only for median, not only for mode, you cannot decide who are the best and who are maximum comes. They are all different. So in class 9th and 10th, you are only the basic knowledge of statistics. The main statistics knowledge you have to study in class 11th when we take the commerce. But for the basic normal purpose, you have to read in class 10th and 9th also statistics. The common use in your daily life or any other purpose, for average marking, for many matters. So we talk about the central tendency, that is mean, median, and mode. Range is not a central tendency. It's a very common MCQ question comes in board examination. Which are not central tendency? I have four options: mean, median, mode, and range. So range is not a central tendency. Only these three are the central tendency of the given data. So what is the data? Data is the information. The information you collect from the everywhere. Collection of books, copy, pen, table, places, countries. They all are the data collection. But emotional is not a data. Love is not data. Smile is not data. They are only the feelings. So when you collect the data, data after collection we can put in a tabulation form or without tabulation form. Just like if I say out of 10 marks, student get marks in maths 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9. Suppose that some data are given. You can find it for the tabulation form or group. They are the ungrouped data. only data is written. You can find the mean, median and mode in class 9th for this type of data. But when we write in group form, just like if I say class, or you can say marks and number of student, we can marks divided into the intervals form, means 0 to 3 marks, 3 to 6 marks, 6 to 9 marks, and 10 to 12 marks. 12 is not here, so we can only take 10. So 0 3 marks students, how many students? 0, nothing. 3, you say sir 3, so this 3 is countable in the next class, not here, means 0 1 2 count here, 3 4 5 count here, 6 7 8 count here, and sorry 9 to 10, 9 to 11, 9 and above. So 9 to above count all here. This is called lower limit, this is called upper limit. So upper limit is not countable, lower is countable. We explain after some time. So only 2 students. 3 to 6 means 3 4 5. So 3 4 5, 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 students. 6 to 9, don't be rough, it's not necessary. 6 to 9 means 6 7 8. So 6 7 8, 6 7 8, 6 7 8, count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is 8. 9 and above means remain all. 9 and above, 9 and above, we can make a different symbol for the numbers. 1 2 3 4, there is a 4. If you add all the students, 4 8 12 6 18 to 20, so total student, this is 20. So this is class 9. We can convert the ungrouped data in group data form and make a frequency distribution table. This is frequency distribution table. There are 2 things. First is the varied, and second is the frequency. Varied and frequency, 2 things are always given, but they are in different manners. Varied examples are which is form? Class mark form, class interval form, less than form, more than form. Here, if varied in class interval form, so the frequency is in normal numbers, normal frequency, F form. If varied in class interval form, so same normal numbers, F. But if the varied in less than or more than form, less than or below both are the same things, more than or above both are the same thing, more than or equal to. So if less than or more than form, so this is in the form of varied frequency is in form of cumulative frequency, CF. This is also cumulative frequency, CF. But in this case, the CF is in ascending order, and in more than case, CF in descending order. Means if the variate is in less than form or more than form, so the given frequency is not a frequency, this is the cumulative frequency. But for this data, this is a frequency. So in your question, let's write frequency, and here less than. But that frequency is either in ascending order or is in descending order. We explain when the question is come or the topic is come. So these 4 types of variate and 4 types of frequency are come in the different types of question. They are the basic frequency distribution table concept, and for this table we can find mean, median, and mode, all 3. What's the question want? So we explain one things here. For about the range is only a covering area. Maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value 10, minimum value is 1. So range is 9. Not common in board examinations range value, but MCQ questions come, so it can be possible. We can find the value of range. We have to come to the main point for the frequency distribution table. We talk about the class mark. Class mark is a normal variate. We always take the examples for explaining this. Means height in centimeter, 150, 160, 170, 180, only 40. Number of students 10, 5, 7, 3. So this is the table is given. This is the class mark, that's the X. Number of student F. If table is given in form of class interval, so the table just like height, number of students. We take the same for explaining the difference. Okay. So 140 to 150, 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180, taking the So this are the frequency distribution table both, but one in varied is in class mark form, another in the class interval form. So we convert both in different ways. If you want to find the class mark here, so we can take x here. So the class mark formula is the lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Means this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So we can find the class mark for the first class interval. So 140 plus 150 by 2, 290 by 2, 145. Here 155, 165, 175. You can add and divide by 2. So we can get the class mark for this data. Here you also can convert class mark into class interval form. How? Let's see how we convert it. We can take the space number of students, that is the F 10 5 7 3 class interval. We explain why you know, only because the questions come in board examinations or the questions come in your book. In any questions, if you have to use for x, you can find the x. It means class mark. But if any formula you want class interval and class mark is given, so you can find the class interval. How? Let's see. I say the class size. You can also say the height of class interval. That means the difference between lower limit and upper limit. That means you can say 150 minus 140, that is 10. So for this data, class size or height is 10. Or you can say difference between any two consecutive class mark. Means here any two, either you take these two, these two, these two, that's your ways. 160 minus 150, 10. Not always 10, we take the question, so we get 10. Means is the motive, any two difference. Consecutive means either first, second, second, third, or third, fourth. The difference is 10. The class mark size or height is the 10. It's also used in some question. The symbol of the class height is H. So, if here I say what is the class size, you can say 10. So subtract for class interval. Subtract half class size in this and add. Half means class size is 10. So minus 5 here. Subtract minus 5, you get lower limit. Add plus 5, you get upper limit. Means 5 add or 5 subtract. Why we take 5? Half of class size. This is the half of class size. So here class size is 10. So the half of class size is 5. 5 subtract 145. 5 add 155. 5 subtract 155. 165. 165. 175. 175. 185. These types you have to get the class interval from the class mark. Okay. So these things you can note down. So we explain the next. Class interval have also two types. First in exclusive form. Second is inclusive form. This both in class 9th. Exclusive form class interval. Inclusive form class interval. I hope you understand what difference between exclusive and inclusive. Here the upper limit of the first is same the lower limit of second. Here the upper limit and lower limit is not same. If I say 10 is where lie in first, you can say sir second. 10 is where lie in first, second inclusive form, you can say first. Because in exclusive form, upper limit is not countable because it's counted next. But here both countable. But if I say 10.5 where? 10.5. So in this you can say sir in second. But here not this side. Because close their door and second house after 11 you open the door. So between 10 to 11 they are only moving here to here. मेरा कोई साथी नहीं है कहाँ जाऊं तो 10.5 कहाँ जाएगा बेचारा. So it can find your home. How you find? We can convert exclusive to inclusive form. How we convert? Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. If you convert .5 subtract in lower limit, and in upper limit. So 0.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5. I hope so. 10.5 find your home. There is the second, and you know this is the exclusive form. Means we can convert inclusive to exclusive form. Why? Because exclusive is the square. Star यार कलाकार. Always for the question solving we use exclusive form. If it is in an inclusive form, you can convert into exclusive form then solve the question. Okay, so that's the two things. Only the class interval in class mark, tables, inclusive and exclusive form. Post video, note down. Less than type, more than 5 type. Okay, so we can take any one table, either this or this, and convert into less than or more than type. Okay, so we can take this table or this table. That's your choice. We can take, suppose, to be this table. Okay. First, you know how we find the cumulative frequency. You know? No? Okay. चलो स्टूडेंट थोड़ा सा पास. 10 same. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 7, 22 plus 3, 25. Means this add to this, plus, then plus, then plus, then. If you add 10, 15, 22, 25, this is all 25. But it is the cumulative frequency. Is in ascending order. Smaller to greater. But if we start from the bottom, 3 same, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, plus 10, 25. This is also CF. Oh, thorough CF. But this is in ascending order. This is in descending order. So, in less than type, we can read this more than or equal to 140 and less than 150. The meaning of this 140 to 150 meaning means more than or equal to 140 and less than 150. So more than or equal to 140 and less than 150 we can separate divide rule. तोड़ दो दोनों को. So less than 150. This is the class or frequency. So for second, more than or greater than 150 and less than 160. So for second, less than 160, less than 170, less than 180. So for this, your CF is 10, 20, 15, 22, 25. Means how many students less than 150? 10. How many students less than 160? 15. Why? Because these two, 160 less means whole. That means 10 plus 5, 15. Less than 170 means from this whole. So 10 plus 5 plus 7. This means 22. Less than 180 means, less 180 means from this to this. Is 25. So this is the less than type frequency distribution table. You can convert this to this, only the opposite work. You can add them, then you subtract them. 10 same, 50 minus 10, 5. So this is the CF. So what is F? 10 same, 50 minus 10, 5. 22 minus 15, 7, 3. This is the F. Same for more than. So more than equal to 140. More than or equal to 140 more than or equal to 150, 160, 170. Here 25, 15, 10, 3. 140 more. So 140 more मतलब all 25. 150 more. So from this to this 5, 7, 12, 3, 15. 160 more. So from this to this 7, 3, 10. 170 more is this to this only 3. So this is a less than type table. This is more than type table. You can convert both into present table form, because when we solve the question, so the basic table is the present table form table, and you can solve the questions for any mean, median, mode. But where anywhere you have to use this and this also. So when the question is come, we can explain these things. So pause way to note down. And these all the basic concepts are only the tables. Means which concept used to solve the question? No. Which concept used to make the table for the question? Means firstly we convert the table for my conditions. What we want in the question? Mean, oh, we want frequency, we want value, we want H, we want L, class size, class mark, whatever you want. That's the explanation of this. This all used in the questions formulas for the finding the central tendency of grouped data. That's the main basic table, group table. Okay.